that we wouldn't get steam all the way, the diesels have caught up and will take over from here while the steam engine heads back to the depot. Lack of watering facilities these days prevents it going any further. We wave farewell and continue to climb. Time for a look round the business car. This table has a view out of the back and both sides. The bathroom has a full-size bath, and the balcony gives an excellent rear view. Just don't fall off. We make a brief stop to refill the tank for the kitchen. Here we are at the first of many zigzag reversals. That's a westbound freight waiting ahead on the line. It's already back down the reversal and is waiting for us to clear the line. We are now going backwards with the engines pushing. All done, that's where we have just come up. All of this is because the land climbs too steeply for the railway to follow it. The kids are after whatever things our fellow travellers are throwing to them. Biros, sweets, whatever's going free. Everyone seems friendly. They don't get many passenger trains up here. This is the next zigzag reversal, and I believe it's the longest in South America. The tunnel ahead is a dead end, just to provide room to clear the points behind us so we can reverse. That's where we came in, and now we travel backwards for several kilometres, climbing all the way. Yes, over there is the reversing point. I guess he took that one a bit too fast. We're now getting really high, and the lack of oxygen in the thin air is very noticeable as you breathe. The top is not far off now, and outside it's gone rather cold. This is Ticilo, the station before the summit. The line to the right is an old goods branch. Well, here we go. Ahead of us is Galera tunnel with the summit of the line somewhere inside. This will be the highest through railway line in the world. We've done it. 15,681 feet or 4,781 metres above sea level. That's nearly 3 miles high.
After a full day's travelling on the railway which crosses the Andes, we've reached the highest station in the world, Galera. We've just come through a tunnel during which you pass the highest point on the line.
Time for some quick pictures. These are some of the train staff. Galera is a crossing point and has a Y and sidings for engineering trains. We are on our way as soon as this freight clears the main line. We have a long way to go and it's downhill all the way. This is a works train. They have been replacing sleepers. A derailment due to bad track would be extremely bad news in this isolated area. The sun is dropping off very quickly, leaving us many hours ahead in the dark before we reach journey's end at Huancayo. Still, today has been a wonderful journey.